In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close Trello boards. If you've wrapped up a project or want to clear clutter without losing your work, closing a board is the cleanest way to put it away. Closing doesn't delete anything. It simply hides the board from your workspace, so it's out of sight, but still recoverable later if you need it. That makes it perfect for project archives, seasonal workflows, or test boards you no longer use. Start by opening the Trello board you want to close. Make sure you're on the correct board, since closing affects everyone who has access to it. Look to the top right corner of the board for the three dots icon. This is the menu trigger. Click those three dots to open the menu panel for this board. Depending on your layout and what's been used recently, you may or may not immediately see the option you're looking for. If the close option isn't visible right away, click More to expand the full set of controls. This reveals additional board level actions. From there, select Close Board. Trello will prompt you to confirm, just to make sure you didn't click it by accident. Click the red Close button to confirm, and that's it. The board is now closed. Once closed, the board disappears from your workspace lists and won't distract your team. All the lists, cards, comments, and attachments remain safely stored with the board. Team members won't continue to receive notifications from it, which helps keep everyone's focus on active work. If later you decide you need the board again, you can restore it from your closed boards area. Just remember that closing is reversible, while permanent deletion is not. A quick note on permissions. If you don't see the close board option at all, you might not be an admin on that board. In that case, ask a board admin to complete the close for you. Also, if you're using Trello on a phone or tablet, the interface looks a little different, but the process is the same idea. Open the board, find the menu, look for More if needed, choose Close Board, and confirm. Before you close, it's a good habit to skim the board for any last tasks that should be moved to an active board, and make sure key stakeholders know the project is done. That way, nothing important gets stranded. If you liked the video, give us the thumbs up. It really helps us out, and maybe consider subscribing. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there is anything we can do to improve the video.